Did you know this about the shareholder approach? So the shareholder approach is a concept in business where all decisions prioritize the needs and the wants of the shareholders. And a shareholder is just the owner or an investor of a business. So the primary objective within the shareholder approach is profit maximization and maximizing the wealth of the business's shareholders. And remember, shareholders get paid in two ways. The first way is through something called dividends, where the dividend is a portion of the company's profit that they make at the end of the year, which is then given to the shareholders, and that payment is called a dividend. So maximizing profits means the shareholders can get more dividends, which makes shareholders happy. And the other method is something called capital gains. So this is when the shareholder buys a share in a company for a certain price, and then they go on to sell that exact same share at a later date for a higher price. And the profit made on that share is what we call capital gains. And a way to increase the share price of a business is to make that share look more attractive to other shareholders. And one way of doing that is increasing the amount of profit that the company makes. And the shareholder approach does have its advantages. The main one is that decision making is fairly straightforward. All decisions in the business are centered around, is this going to make us more profit or become more profitable? And it's very easy to track performance because we just have to ask the question, have we made more profit than the last year? And it can make the company more attractive to shareholders, which once again can increase the amount of finance the business raises through share capital. However, the shareholder approach does neglect other stakeholders in the business, such as employees, managers, and suppliers, which can raise questions around the business's ethics. And the shareholder approach can be argued to mainly focus on short-term gains rather than focusing on a long-term strategy. Let me know if you found this video useful by giving me a thumbs up in the comment section.